Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battle.net error BLZBNTAGT000008A4. This method works great if your connection is acting up or just not working right. Let's jump straight into it. So guys, for the first step, head over to your search bar and type in View Network Connections. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're here, find your active network adapter. This is usually labeled something like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click on it, then click on Properties. Now in this window, scroll down and click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 HAR. Make sure that Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Next, under DNS server addresses, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type in Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Once you've done that, click OK and close all the windows. Now for the second step, head back to the search bar and type in command. Right-click on it. In the command prompt, type the following command and hit enter. ipconfig flush DNS. Once that runs, type the next command. netsh winsock reset. Hit enter again. Finally, for the last step, restart your computer to apply all the changes. And that's it. Your network should be running much better now. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.